Hi guys, this is Bushu madam. Finally I met her after London.
I'm all dressed up to go for a school fete. That's not my school, but this school is very close to my heart, especially this fete, because as a child I used to visit the fete and I was taken good care of by all the students because my auntie was a teacher there. Got my entry band, met my friend Valerie, who's now a teacher there. When I entered, the academic prize distribution was going on and all of them were waiting for their turns. Congratulations, dear students. While this was going on, I decided to stroll around and check out the other stalls. This boy was selling food coupons. I bought some coupons from him, enjoyed some delicious food sold by the students, made by them, supported by the teachers. Met my classmate Gayatri, saw some students even cooking. Enjoyed a pani puri with teacher Valerie. The fete that I enjoyed in my childhood was completely different. This is to a next level. Thank God I packed some food for Mama first only because later it all got sold out. I thought I would go and play some games, but then I got a call from Mama saying that baby started crying, so I had to rush home. I met some students who follow my content. They asked about baby, asked about Dollmmaa, and it was so nice of them. God bless you and thank you for all the love and support. We truly feel blessed to meet our followers and to know that you guys love us so much. Later in the evening, Mama and baby joined me and we had a blast. DJ Kalyan! My friends and myself enjoyed dancing along with the students of the school. Look at the blast they're all having. Thanks to DJ Kalyan. See you in the next vlog. Bye!